What's up, people? We are about to run up on Popular Jewelry here in New York. That is the unassuming jewelry store started by an immigrant from Macau that has turned into the go-to place for rappers to get their chains. So everybody from ASAP Mob to Wu-Tang Clan to Chris Wu has bought chains at this store. We're gonna go talk to the owner. Let's go check it out.
My name is Eva Sam. My nickname is ASAP Eva. My store opened at October 3rd, 1988. Same day, same month, same year as ASAP Rocky born. And my store have been fired the second time we opened. It's the same day as Chris Wu born, November 6th. When I in Macau, I was go to manufacture, making clothing. When I moved to New York, I don't have money and I have to live in my mother's house. I don't like that job. I like to work for my brother. And after 6 years, I opened my own store. A few years later, Capitona Wu-Tang Clan, he already came. But at that time, we wasn't have any computer at that time, not famous, not popular. Then even though we have famous people coming, but nobody know. But in 2014, Instagram and Facebook at that time, and then we can help everybody. We have famous people come like McDonald, Joey Badass, Macklemore. He called me second mom. Jay-Z, Puma want for me to make Puma emblem to give to the Jay-Z. I feel very happy because when you hire Jay-Z, you have to pay $1 million. My brother, he have a classmate. He say, I know a girl, she's very famous in United States. And she have the same name as you. Do you know her? My brother say, she is my sister. Secret is you have to have a big selection. You have to work hard and you have to do everything on time, and you have to give them good price, good discount, and that's the secret.